Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Empower Retirement, secure access step by step clearly. To log into your Empower Retirement account, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.empower-retirement.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will see two fields on this page. In the first field, enter your username. Make sure to double-check your spelling to avoid errors. In the second field, input your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your username and password, click the Login button to access your account. If prompted, complete any additional security measures, such as answering security questions or completing a CAPTCHA. After successful authentication, you will be directed to your Empower Retirement account dashboard. From here, you can view your retirement savings and manage your investments as needed. Remember to log out of your account when you are finished for security purposes. To log out, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Log Out from the drop-down menu. You're now ready to navigate your Empower Retirement account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.